Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and in front of me we have the S&P 500 futures chart. As you can see, in today's trading session we haven't really done much. We're pretty much flat or just trading in the green ever so slightly. We're currently at 3,660 and we're roughly 40 to 50 points below our all-time highs here in the S&P 500. It's been a really flat past couple of trading days, for the past week to a week and a half. Haven't really done much, and this is something that I forecast. At the start of the month I said that typically in December we get something called a Santa Claus rally, where the majority of stocks do very well going into the end of the year. But I did tell you all that I think that we already had that in November. November we had the best month for the stock market dating back to 1987. So that was kind of your Santa Claus rally. It come a month early this year, and I did say that I anticipated for the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones 30 to kind of be rather flat for the rest of the month, and that's exactly what we're seeing. We're seeing low volatility in the market as well, and especially as we go into Christmas, which will be towards the end of next week, and New Year's Eve and New Year's Day, for example. This is typically a period of the year when traders take time off to spend time with their loved ones, which then does result in low volatility flowing through the markets. So don't expect too much movements going into the end of the year. But saying that, January 2021, I'm expecting a phenomenal month because we have earnings season, and I think that some of these big tech companies are going to report outstanding numbers. The likes of Apple, for example, who's up just under 4% today because they've announced that they're increasing their production of their brand new iPhone that they've just brought out. I expect these companies to do exceptionally well going into 2021 because we've just experienced we're experiencing probably the largest e-commercial Christmas that's ever happened before. So I really am expecting good things for the S&P 500 and the other US indices going into the new year of 2021. Also, can I just mention that JP Morgan had a price target on the S&P 500 up at 4,400. Goldman Sachs also has a price target of 4,300 for the S&P 500 for the end of 2021. That indicates a roughly 20 to 25% gain from where we're currently trading at now. So that's exactly what I'm forecasting as well. I'm forecasting anywhere between a 10 to 20% movement going into 2021. I am very bullish on US equities. I think it's only a matter of time now until we get a second stimulus deal. I know it feels like I've been saying that forever, but we're coming close to the deadline now, which is at the start of January, and I really do believe that we will get it, because at the end of the day, the people of the US and the small businesses especially need it. Today we have Warren Buffett and the CEO of Goldman Sachs talking on CNBC, and Warren Buffett indicated that we're currently in an economic war. And that these small businesses need help. They need financial aid. It's one thing to shut down a country and to put curfews, but you can't do that if you're not giving financial aid to these businesses. You can't have one or the other. You've got to have, if you're going to put shutdowns on, if you're going to announce shutdowns in certain states, well, then you need to give these states, the financial aid to fund the businesses so that they can stay open. But as I mentioned before, I do believe that this will get done. So I'm a buyer, no interest in selling. I like the S&P 500 very much, but I don't expect too much volatility going into the end of the year.